Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Roblox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in roblox.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Roblox website. Now right from the homepage, you can sign up to create a new account. Just enter your date of birth and then type in your preferred username. You can then enter your preferred password and then choose your gender, which is optional. After entering all of the necessary credentials, click on the sign up button and now you will be signed up to your account. In order to finish setting up your account, you will need to add your email address. Click on add email and you will be asked to enter your preferred email address. Type in your desired email and click on the continue button and you will be asked to check your inbox to confirm your email. So check your inbox and you will find an email from Roblox. Click on the verify email button and now your sign up will successfully complete. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.